Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Lunar New Year is just around the corner, and beside the bánh chưng and bánh tét I have shared before, today I'm going to share with you one of the different kind sticky rice cake in the triangle shape. It's very easy to make, beautiful in the eye, and also tastes very delicious. You also can store the triangle sticky rice cake in the freezer after it's done if you not finish it. So every time you eat, you can just take it out, steam it up, or microwave, about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends, and you can eat it still fresh and nice. Okay, look at how beautiful this triangle sticky rice cake. So let's go to the kitchen. We're gonna learn how to make the sticky rice cake and how to wrap it in the triangle shape like this. First of all, we're gonna use the filling as the pork belly today, and we cut into the small pieces. After wash it, it's just like this size. If you like to make it bigger, you can do cuts bigger. We're going to use 50 grams of shallot, cut it to small piece, and then add to the meat. Then we're going to use 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of pepper. After that, we can just, stir it up. Make sure all even, and then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of the cooking oil, to make sure it's nice and smooth. Stir it up again to make sure all even, mix well. Now it's time to make the green bean. We're gonna use 1 bag of mung bean, 400 grams. After wash, put in the pot and add a little bit water on top. Cook until it's done. You can see it, time to time when the waters ran out like that. So the mung bean get softer. All you do, just use the spatula and just press it down as you go. It's beautiful, nice and smooth. You see, just like that, until you feel it and you don't see any stick on your hand, and you know that time the mung bean is ready. So just keep stirring up. Recommend to use the non-stick pan, so it's not gonna be a stick too much on your pan when you're doing this. So keep stirring up until the mung bean get dry, and you can test it by use your hand to stick it on the mung bean, and if it not sticky on your hand, then it's ready. See, now I think it's ready, so we're gonna put into the bowl. Get ready to make the filling. The filling is ready when it's not stick on your hand anymore. So to make the filling today, which I already make some, see, nice and even. So you're gonna use 1 piece of the plastic saran wrap, okay? And you're gonna use half cup to measure the mung bean, the cooked mung bean. You half cup of the mung bean, and then put down to the saran wrap, fold it and press it to make in flat form like this. Put the meat in the center, fold it up, and by fold it up like this, you twist it and you press the mung bean up to the top. Make 1 twist on the top and roll around a little bit, and that's it. It's done. Just like this. Nice and even. Continue with the same saran wrap. You don't have to change anything. Your hand not gonna get dirty because you're not gonna touch it. Half cup of the mung bean, press down to the flat form. Add the pork at the center. place at the center. Fold the mung bean up by using the saran wrap. Twist on the top. Push it up the mung bean. One twist. One turn. That's it. It's done. See, nice and simple, eh? And it's one thing is all even. But this way, that's why all this, you don't have to touch in your hand. Very nice and clean, and all the triangle is same, all the same size. So now it's time to cook the pendant leaf. We're going to use 5 to 7 pendant leaf, cut in small, boil it, and after that we grind it, and then we use a strainer to get the very clean at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to save that nice water to cook with the sticky rice. 6 cups of sticky rice after wash it, we're going to put in the pot. Again, recommend to use the non-stick pot. After that, we put 1 can of coconut milk, and then we're gonna put 2.5 cups of pendant leaf after we grind it. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of the chicken broth mix. Stir it up nice. So just keep stirring up and constantly at the same time. Make sure it's all even. You can use a little bit of food coloring. It's optional if you like to get the nicer color. Okay, just stir it up like this. This procedure, it won't cook the rice completely. Just to make it stick together for easy to wrap later. Okay, now time to wrap the triangle cake. As you can see, all nice and even. I have made before and will continue to make with you. So nice and even and very beautiful. All same size. Very nice cake, eh? One thing is very even because we make the filling is all same size. That's why it's make all this beauty look like this. Okay, so now it's time to make the wrap the cake. We're gonna use a piece of banana leaf like that, about the length of 2 of your palm. 1 horizontal at the bottom, and the other one is vertical, just like this. Okay, then you're gonna fold it 1 to the 1 triangle like this. This one gonna be smaller than the one outside. Alright? Then you're gonna fold it one side, fold the other side. You're gonna have a nice cone shape like this. Look at that. We're gonna use 1/3 of the cup measurement. Put the sticky rice in the bottom. Okay? And you're gonna use the spoon, press it down and bring up the sticky rice to the side of the cone like this. Bring it up against, the side of the banana leaf. Put the filling right at the center. Press it down and use another 1/3 of the cup of the sticky rice. Put right on the top. Press it down by using the spoon. Okay, press it down nice, tight, even to make sure it's cover the filling, and stick rice down to the filling on the top. At the center where it's folding, press down the banana leaf. Make it one side of the triangle. Make it one side. from the other side, we're going to flip over, press it down, flip over. There is, make another second side of the triangle. The extra banana leaf, okay, we're going to fold it under. Just like that. We have nice two sides of the triangle. Beautiful done. The last side, we flip it over again and make another side, the third side of the triangle. Fold it, the extra banana leaf underneath of the other side. Make a nice, even three sides of the triangle. Put it down, press it up, make it nice and pointy on the top. That's it. We're done. Beautifully, evenly. So now, time to wrap the cake. Start from the middle of the folding, right here. Okay, we put the string about 1.5 or 2 side of your palm, just like that. The whole length will be about 2 of your arm. Okay, as you can see, we folding once to the bottom and bring it up to the center. Make one knot. Make one knot just like this. Okay, and continue to bring the string down to the other side. Down to the other side. Okay, as here you can make the tight knot. Whatever, it's up to you. Okay, or you can just bring it down just like that. Bring the string to the bottom of the next side, like that, just like that. Bring it up to the center. Make one knot. Make one knot right here, or whatever you do to make a tight knot right there. Okay? You can twist it like this. Make one tight knot in the center. After you tie the knot at the center, you see, just like that, you will have 2 strings on the side. You will bring it down to the side. Bring it down to the bottom, just like this, just like the 2 wings. Okay? And then you will tie the final knot right in the bottom. Nobody can see the final knot. So it makes it look nice when you put in the plate, put in the the whole thing like that when it's done. Final knot in the bottom. There we go. Just cut the extra string we don't need. Ta-da! Just see how nice. Nice and even, pointy, perfect 3 sides of the triangle shape. Look at that. One done. So we're gonna continue to make the second one, okay? You can just continue to do it the same way. That's it. We are done. After done, you can tie 3 or 4 triangle like that in one bundle, so you can take it out easy. Here is all the yummy triangle sticky rice cake just made. Nicely done. The sticky rice cake, you can freeze them up after done, and then every time when you eat, you can just bring it out, steam it up or microwave it, and then you can have it nice and yummy, as fresh like you first made. And because it's so easy to wrap, fast to cook, so you can make anytime. You don't have to wait for the Lunar New Year. Sticky rice cake can be cooked about 2 hours. Start when the water boiling in the normal pot, or you can cook in the pressure cook, and it's only take 45 minutes. If you like my video I'm sharing today, please subscribe. Sticky rice cake can be fried after all. It tastes so yummy as the fresh one. This is how we make. We cut it in half and then we fried it. Very yummy, isn't it? Look delicious. Thank you for watching Lee Dynasty Kitchen today. I hope you like my share, and please like, share and subscribe to support Lee Dynasty Kitchen, so I can share a lot more of yummy Vietnamese dishes, and it's really encouraged me to do just the thing. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.